Disclaimer: this EAS scenario uses valid emergency alert system tones. It is not my fault if you get in trouble for activating EAS equipment. This is all fictional. This content may be disturbing to some viewers. Viewer discretion advised. A nuclear power plant warning has been issued. The Oregon nuclear power plant has entered a partial meltdown. That means the reactor core has reached critical temperatures. If the core gets too hot, it will melt down and cause an explosion that spreads radioactive materials in the sky. Please prepare to evacuate. This is not a test. We will send updates as soon as possible. This could be a very dangerous scenario.
Oh god. The core is getting hot. I hope I can save it. If not, this can lead to chaos, like what happened in Chernobyl.
Warning. Reactor core is at critical.
Oh god. Not good. We gotta fix this fast. We have just received breaking news. The Oregon nuclear power plant is in a partial meltdown, causing there to be panic and chaos outside. How's it look out there, Ethan?
Not good. Everyone is running around and screaming, even though the plant most likely won't explode. I think I can hear the plant's alarm going off. I should get out of here as soon as possible. Back to you, Chloe.
Well folks, you heard it here first. The power plant is going into a partial meltdown. In other news, there is a severe car accident on Main Street, and we are not sure of the damage. Oh no, this EAS getting out of hand. If I can't save the core, we are toast. I need to try my hardest, or we will go into a meltdown. Breaking news. The power plant is about to go into a meltdown. We here at BBC News recommend you evacuate now. All regular program will be discontinued. Please stay tuned to this channel for more information.
Evacuate immediately. The nuclear power plant has entered a meltdown. If you are in a 500-mile area of Oregon, USA, evacuate. When you evacuate, bring enough food and water for 14 days, a hand crank or battery-powered radio, a battery-powered flashlight, and a first aid kit. If you cannot evacuate, find a fallout shelter. If you cannot find a fallout shelter, local authorities will lead you to one. If there are no fallout shelters in your area, shelter in place. To shelter in place, close and lock all doors, windows, and fireplace dampers. Cover all cracks with tape or damp towels. Turn off all heating and air conditioning. This is not a test. Evacuate now. Do not delay. Evacuate now. All clear. It is safe to leave your shelters. The fallout has cleared. Do not go into a 25 miles radius of the power plant. Repeating. All clear. It is safe to leave your shelters. The fallout has cleared. Do not go into a 25 miles radius of the power plant.